floatings or any type of chamfer foil gels, check this guys out. And I believe it's today's and tomorrow's the last day for special sales. I think you do get this for 30% off for our 3 years anniversary. Number 3 come from 3 years anniversary. I think I have some fur right here. No way. It may be from my little jacket. So just wipe it off. It's not a big deal. All right, wipe up. Okay, here for 30 seconds. Hi Alisa, how are you? Hi Nikki, thank you so much. I loving that. Let me see. No, the pink one. This one. So if you do a unique creation, if you're doing the black colors chamfers, you can do it any colors. Unless you do black on blacks and you can't see it, but you do black on whites, great. You're doing it like a black on purple, pink, blue, whatever colors you want, is gonna definitely is really pop for you. And oh my goodness, I'm so happy with this one. Let's do this because I don't want to do is opposite colors. So let's see, this one is a shiny side and then this is a matte. So I'm gonna do this one matte on it. It's one of I remember one Shay's video, she put it upside down like me, is wrong way too. So if you're doing it not the right side, that is not going to chamfer for you. It's only chamfer on the side that have the image. When you do that, press it down. Press it on the side. And I usually using the hands is my fingers, press it down, and then using my dual end tweezers. Just this is really fun to give it a little bit background. If you don't want to be too much going on. Yesterday we did this really cool and dramatic design using a fusion ink and then a crystal placement. So we're doing like chamfer foil. I'm showing it to you slowly. Look like Facebook. It's okay. Facebook okay. It looks like Facebook is really dark. All right. Hi China. Hello. Yes, we do. We do unique creation. Check out on our website glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. I will type it in for you here. You will able to find a lot of different fun designer, and from foil to stickers. Let me type it in. Let me see. And then also you can get it on link in bio. Okay, some posts. There you go. So now let's get right in. Look at that. How perfect are these flowers on these nails. Oh, so adorable. Thank you, Dom. Yeah, if I see Dom, I will pin the comments. Because I was like typing in with my fingers in the on the screen. It's like have a hello Nix. Hi, how are you, Nick? Happy Friday. Nix and China's AR is ours is 2 brand new brand ambassadors. So excited. Along we have Dom at Dom do my nails right now. And they're all awesome ladies. I can't wait to see all of your beautiful creations. All right, so don't forget to do a no wipe top coat. Maybe we should do a matte top coat. What do you think? Maybe matte. I'm changing my mind. Doing a matte, just different. Just put the matte top coat over floating on me instead of. Floating on the top because you do not want to contaminate your condensed glue gels and the matte top coat. All right, put my flowers. It's really cool because it's curved in the back. You see that? So then it's go right in here. Ta-da! And then you can feel it's more go right in there. Here, let me hold it like this so you can see. See, that's how it's really cool. Stay nice right in there. Pandora, how are you? All right, so adorable. All right, so are we done? We done? No, just kidding. Maybe S shape though. I'm going to add 2 S shape. Can I get my kit number 2? So I am getting my kit number 2, and it is going special sales right now for our anniversary. Is one of my best sellings on the Glitz Subscription, such best selling kits, high quality crystals. Yes, I've been using a lot of this. Ta-da! It doesn't look nice like Dom's or Vicky or Brazil or Sharina. They're so fancy. They turn the face out really nicely. Mine is getting a little bit. What do I get? But you see that how many in there. I've been using a lot, but I still have so many. I just want to share with you. Just couple S shape. You can do any shape. It doesn't have to be S shape. It just happened that I think it looks so cute for this flower, so I'm keeping it. And the details of the lace, it makes it look different on that. It's so cool though. All right. Love having fun with this. It tuck right in here. And tuck right there. See, if you want to be simple like this, stop right here. Here for 60 seconds. And then using precision glue and you are good to go. However, if you are doing for your nails or for your clients and they want, oh my God, Nancy, I want a little bit more. I said, do you want more? Yes, I want more. Can I have more? I said, absolutely. I would never gonna say no. You can have more crystals. To me, crystal is more is better. I don't think it's less is more. But you check with your clients or yourself, see like, you know, you want a lot of more or you want just a little. Just a little bit right there. You see that how simple it is? And it's go wrap around the nails with the flowers. So excited. Get a little bit further there. Ta-da. Here for 60 seconds. Because I didn't want to cover completely my lace underneath. So I want, it's so cute. I can dress it up more. I can put like a frame on it. I can dress it and then you don't see the lace. So here for 60 seconds.